Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? How are you all feeling? I hope you're staying cool this summer. If you're in Australia, I hope you're staying warm. I think it's winter there. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. It's so nice to have you here. Please consider liking and subscribing. Today I'm going to show you my Walmart beauty box. This is the summer beauty box. So these are, I believe they're under 10 bucks, okay? They're like $10 or $11. They come out each season. So you get spring, fall, summer, winter. You really only pay for shipping. Some of the items are full size. Some of the items are sample-y or like bigger than sample size, like a deluxe sample. Either way, I always like getting like the little surprise every 3 or 4 months, you know. So I will make sure I leave a link down below to this box. I don't get any commission. I'm not affiliated or anything like that. I just think it's a cool box to get every once in a while. So let's check out what is in this box. Okay, everybody, here we go. The Walmart beauty box. All right, so when you open the Walmart beauty box, there's usually an insert in here. So there's first glance at what might be in there. They send you a little pamphlet that usually will say what's in here, what it's worth, those kinds of things, you know, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes there's a little info on the outside for things. So this is what's in the box. Let's just go through and I will let you know what's in here and how much it's worth. So first thing right out of the box, these Nair Wax Ready Strips in Orchid and Cherry Blossom Extract. You get 8 wax strips. This is a full-size product, so this was $7.82. That's almost worth the whole box. So, I mean, you really can't go wrong. This is $8 already. I don't know if I'll use those, but there it is. And sorry, I was swatching makeup. If you see makeup swatches on me, that's what that's from. All right, here is a Great Lash mascara. Now this is not a full size. This is like a deluxe sample size. I love Great Lash mascara. So the full size is $6.82, and the full size is 0.43 ounces. This is 0.15 ounces. So let's just say, I'm going to say that this is about $2.50 maybe. So these two products together are almost as much as the box. So yeah, we love Great Lash mascara. It's one of my favorites. I love it. Yep, it has the same smell as it always used to. So I would definitely be using that. This is going to be a short video, you guys. All right, then you get a La Roche-Posay, which... great brand. This is the Anthelios UV Pro Sport Sunscreen in SPF 50. Now, the full size is 6.7 fluid ounces. This is only half an ounce. It's $32 full size. $32 full size. So this is only 0.5 ounces. So you get about 6 times more in the regular bottle. But you know what, anyone who works outside or you're outside in the pool or whatever, you definitely need to use that. So there's that. Okay, then I got the Lip Bar vegan lip gloss in the color Trophy Wife. Now this is like a smaller size. The full size is $14.74 at 0.30 ounces. This is like, it's so tiny, 0.043 ounces or something like that. So yeah, the Lip Bar vegan, let's look at it because I love lip gloss. So some of this will probably go in a giveaway, you guys. I love to do giveaways, so please like and subscribe because I love to do giveaways. And some stuff I get in these boxes I usually do a giveaway with. Ooh, I love this component. Look how pretty. Love that. Okay. No smell. It's just a barely there type of gloss. I don't even know if you could see it on my hand. It's just got a little bit of a shimmer to it. Like, I can barely see it. So, yeah. But that'll be good for the purse. So, we'll put that in the purse. All right. Then they gave us, whatever you want to call it, these Nootropics Functional Nootropic, hope I'm saying that right, Nootropics gummies. The full size is $20 and 12 servings. So this is a single serving. Tastes like lemon clouds. What? What does this do for you? Supports cognitive energy, brain health, mood, gut health, and sleep. So this is just one serving. Should we try it? We should probably try it. Dietary supplement. We're just going to do it. We're just going to roll with it. Let's just... How many is in here? How many is one serving? How is this one serving? I don't understand. That's a lot of little bears. They come in like little bears. Like that. I'll take a couple. The rest I'll put in here for later. Okay. I mean, they don't taste bad. It has lion's mane in it. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Interesting. Alright. So there's those. Some gummies. That's kind of a cool... These are like just kind of cool products. You know what I mean? I mean, you know... So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 products in here. And the last one I'll save because it's actually, this is full size too. This is the chapstick. This is $3.88. You get pink lemonade, peaches and cream, and sweet watermelon. So you get all of the I Love Summer chapstick flavors. Now this package kind of came off of here, so I'll probably keep it because I don't want to. Well, I mean, it's not completely. I don't know. I was gonna maybe put it in a giveaway. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, the chapsticks are sealed anyways, but yeah. So that is $3.88. The I Love Summer Lip Balm Variety Pack from Chapstick. So you get all these. That's like 3 full-size products right there. You know what I mean? All right, last but certainly not least, full-sized. This is $7.97. L'Oreal Big Lift Volumizing Mousse with Collagen Peptides. 6 ounces. 2 times the volume lift, extra strong hold. Guys, this box is worth a lot. Because this, and this are all full size. No, this is not full size. I lied. You get 40 pieces in the full size. But these 2 are definitely full size. So, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here's your box right here. And then you get the rest pretty much for free. And then you get a cute little box. So, you know. So, yeah, I really think that the Walmart beauty boxes are a good... bargain just to get just to have something fun show up at your doorstep every couple of months. And so if you guys want, there is a little scan code here if you want to scan it for anything. It says shop full sizes and get ingredient info right there if you want the ingredients or whatever. Again, I will make sure I leave the link to the Walmart beauty box down below. I think it's a cute little box to get every now and then. I think it's a good bargain. You usually get 1 or 2 full-size items. And you know what I like about it is that you can try the items before you go and buy a full size. Like, you know, maybe you want to try these, but you not sure if you're going to like the taste and you don't want to spend 20 bucks, you know, then you got a little sample. So that's why I love the little sample boxes. I think they're great. So, okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll make sure I put the link down below in the description box in case you want to get that box. And again, I'm not affiliated or anything like that. I'm just leaving the link down there in case you want it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!